In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install a Laporte T-top cover on a Sportsman Boats 2025 Sportsman 262 Open. This is a new model from Sportsman with a new hull design, and this is Laporte's standard T-top cover. So I will be showing you a full walkthrough of the installation. As you can see, the first step in the installation is to install the attached and included straps onto the T-top to build the T-top system. You can see that I am underneath the T-top of the boat, stretching the supplied straps underneath horizontally and vertically, building a Ttop structure to attach the cover to. Once the straps have been installed horizontally and vertically, you tighten them to make sure that they're tight, and you will use these straps to attach the T-top cover onto the top of the T-top. The Laporte cover has two blue straps on it, one near the anchor and one in the center of the cover. The two blue straps are the straps that need to be fastened first. One around the windlass of the bow of the boat and one directly in front of the windshield. Once those two blue straps have been secured, carefully work your way around the T-top of the boat, stretching the canvas all the way around the boat and attaching the straps to the system that you built, consisting of the four horizontal and vertical straps. You can do this with one person, however, having two people here to help you, like in this video, where I have one person on the ground since I'm on a trailer and the other person is on the trailer helping, makes the job a lot faster. A single person can put this cover on with some practice in about 5 or 10 minutes, but it goes a lot faster when you have two people helping. The final step after securing the T-top cover to the T-top with the supplied straps is to get off the trailer and use straps to secure the T-top cover to the trailer. In summary, we love our Laporte T-top cover. It keeps our 2025 Sportsman 262 looking brand new. It's a great all-weather cover. It repels water, it repels sun and UV rays, and we would definitely buy Laporte again. If you like videos like these, please hit the like button and leave us a comment, and we will provide more Sportsman boats and Laporte cover content. Thank you.